Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat app tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you now how to use Scan to translate any image or any photo on WeChat to whatever language of your choice without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your WeChat app. And go ahead and click on Discover. Then go ahead and click on Scan. Then go ahead and click on Translate. So you can see Translate right here. Align Chinese, English text and take photo. Next thing you want to do right here, you can do a live image and quickly translate, or better still, you can upload an image or screenshot. So for that, I'm going to click on image icon right here. This will allow me to upload an image that need to be translated quickly on WeChat. So it's going to load to my gallery right here. Then from here, I can easily select an image. So I'm going to choose this particular image right here, and in a few seconds it's going to scan. Once it is scanned, it's going to automatically translate this page. Just like so. Now this was translated into Arabic. After a successful translate, we can easily click on here to download the translate. However, we can change the language. If you are not interested to translate to Arabic, we can translate to any other language. So for that, we want to make sure we go back right here. So for that, I'm going to close this part right here. Then we want to make sure we go to language settings. So for that, go ahead and click on this icon right here, which is me right here. So click on me. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. And after click on settings, we want to make sure we click on search right here. To make sure you click on search right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in translate. So having typed in translate, go ahead and click on translate right here. And here you go. To switch to another language, what you need to do is to simply click on here. Then you have another language right here. Let's say I want to translate from Chinese to English. I will select English right here. I'll make sure I click on done from the top right here. Once I click on done, it means that whatever I translate is going to be in English language. So let's go back to my keyhard right here. So we'll go back. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on discover again. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on scan. Then I'll go ahead and click on translate again. Click on translate right here. Then I will go ahead and click on image. Then I'll upload the same screenshots that was uploaded earlier. This is the screenshots. I'll upload it. And then it's going to scan again. Just like so. You have it in English. You can go on and change to different language as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.